Ah, that looks bad. All right. Hi, welcome. My voice sounds hoarse. Welcome to the stream. We're actually coding today. Uh, I meant to stream yesterday, but work sucked, and I had like, that was so loud. I had like no creative juices for what I wanted to do. Oh, I was about to say, where did that just come from? I forgot it's listening to the API already. Okay, that's fine. It's actually, it's actually good. Returning chatter. That's new. What's up, Bazelia? Welcome in. Mickey Noon, welcome in. L colon Q, welcome. It's fine, it's already going. I'm gonna turn this down again. Yeah, sorry. Yesterday I was gonna do like a music thing. I might like go into that after this if this is successful. But what we're doing today is I want to work with the Twitch API and make a little command. I had a funny idea of like, it's literally just like exclamation airstrike, put in someone's name maybe, and what it'll do is it'll, I think I wrote this somewhere. Did I put this in a readme? No. I don't know where I wrote all this. Unless it's in my component. Ah, I did. Okay, good. Airstrike. Make this page visible. Stop being so loud, music. Which I'll have to figure out. Zoom to just like a random location with Leaflet, which is a library I'm pretty familiar with. Which as I set it up, will seem like I'm not. Zoom somewhere. There's something like targeting user. It's funny, right? And then show footage of like a house exploding. I don't know. I put that there. I there's plenty of war footage I could use, but I don't know if that's if I can use that. Like it's actual someone's house exploding. I don't know. I just thought it was funny. So that said, let's get into it. I need to set up a leaflet actually. Now, let's see here. Have the docs up. Okay, is this was what I'm doing here stupid? I thought it looked funny, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Relative detonation testing. Yeah, yeah. I was just thinking of like IR footage of like an actual house going up. Okay, this is dumb. We're gonna put this. This is probably unreadable, but it's mainly for my purposes. I don't even know where to put this. And VS Code is not scaling properly in OBS, so that's cool. All right, so we need a map. We need a map in here. I've already installed it. I think I have the CSS in the right place. Plays whole Oppenheimer. Man, that movie, I don't know if you've seen it. I don't think it was good at all. In fact, I would always say it's bad. Or, I don't know, it wasn't what I was expecting. Maybe it's a me problem. But, alright, so we need a map, so we can just do... do I want a function for this or just do... Let's just put on a init. So that's fine. Do I have a constructor? Yes. And then it's a global thing. Then I need to port L. We're getting L's in here. Or no, what is it? This is always such an annoying little setup. Angular doesn't like how it's namespaced. I think it's like star as L from leaflet. Right. Yeah. No initializer. Cry about it. Need a new. Do I use a new here? I didn't even need the on net. Whatever. UL dot map. Yeah, good. If I could type properly. L dot map, yep. Looks good. And then here, if I just do, I'll just rip it. So I hate typing HTML tags. But I need a style because it likes, well, it doesn't actually like to automatically set its own thing. 100%. And I'll probably actually class this up properly later, but for now. That. I should change my routing path. How does this work again? I want to make this the default star arc2 strike. Or is it default? No. Either case. Well, let's just see if we have a map. The leaflet's pretty cool. That didn't... Do I have an error? Map container not found. What part did I not save? Did not save you. What did I do wrong here already? Already I'm failing. One part I always forget how to do because you said and forget it. I don't need to do that, I need to do that. Sure, show me the standalone example. Yeah, that's not really helpful. Yeah, it's got styles built in, okay. What did I not do? Does it need a new? Is it a new L.map? No, doesn't like that. Shit. Where I'm a competent web developer. Pay no mind to the man not being competent right now. So, alright, I can figure this out. Just a second. No, it should be new. New L.map. I didn't like that then. Unless, oh, hold on. Does this have to be just map? Star is L from leaflet. No, that was correct. We need types. Okay. Save dev. That didn't help me. Unless container not found. Why not? Was I not saving the right file? What was I doing? I was wondering where I typed it earlier. Okay, well, I'm not getting an error anymore. So, are you happy? No, you're not happy. My routing's bugged. Please. Almost immediately is not going smoothly. It should work. Unless I've included leaflet incorrectly here. Oh. No, I'm stupid. I don't need the star. Right? Come on, dude. Object on registered symbol. Okay. The original, yeah, that's what it ought to be. Wow, this is just embarrassing. Unless I'm actually like, hold on. Let's just set it later. I was gonna put it down here anyways. I feel dead air right now, I'm sorry. Does it really matter if I do it down here? I guess so. Okay, that's superb. Progress. We have Ukraine. Very good. We thought it was actually made by a Ukrainian fellow. So now I need a tire layer. Forget how. Okay, this dot map equals that. Dot tile. Forget how to set the tile layer. I would have assumed it has a base one to use. Oh, hold on. L.map options. Leaflet set base map. Tile layer, yeah. Should just be a URL though. Good heavens. There's a lot of layers here. Last, do I just need to set the view? Set view. Sure, why not? 2020. Still not correct here. If I actually read. Gonna need to do that. The style sheet correctly. So that select the map. Center of London. A tile layer. Right. That's one way to do it. An infinite number of tiles. Excuse me? Really can't see that. The setup's a little scuffed here. You're right there. Infinite number of tiles. How? Why would it do that? Yeah, I'll show you the problem. If someone can tell me. So VS Code can't, if I scale it, I want to like resize the window though. Maybe this works, I don't know. I mean, the code's not important, right? It's what we make from it. If I do this. Okay. Tempted to load an infinite number of tiles. Okay. Why would that happen? Why would that happen? Why is this a PNG? Normal way I know how to do this. Not like this. However, I don't really feel like setting up an entire configuration. Unless that's like potentially the best way to do this. Normally it's just, you give it a URL and you get some options, but... Is it the .png? That's weird, because I've never seen it with that at the end. That didn't work either. That is strange. Maximum zone level layer, street map tiles are fine for programming. You leave the map, but read the tile usage policy. It was after div and lethal chases. Inclusion, yeah, like it's fine. Can I get an ArcGIS one? Just give me a URL, please. Feature layers. No. Come on, man. Yeah, okay. No, this is not. Providers? Yes, I would just like a base map, please. I know there's plenty of these that are just out there and you can just use them. You replace C, X, and Y yourself. No, so the way like the tile layer works, I mean that's your coordinate, right, of the tile itself. So those like get interpreted based on where you're looking in the map. So this is the correct layout. It's just I've never seen that error before of getting an infinite number of tiles. That's, maybe if I just search that. Hold on. Because that's a little wild. I've never encountered that before. Porting. I'm sure it was straightforward. Okay, fit bounds. Oh, hold on. Is that why? Does this have to come after I... Well, no, because... well, hold on. Let's just not set the view. The map is undefined, right? Because I moved it. Put it there. Okay. Error resolved, but now we don't have a map. So just do what this do. It's my app component. I want here. What the fuck? I don't know what that's complaining about. Strange. Okay. Okay. We got that. We got a tile layer. But now you are being uncooperative. Let's get rid of that. Nope. That it's installed. I don't need any JS fuckery. Why don't you actually work for me? Hmm. Range. I mean, is that the issue? It's just not here. Yeah, it knows it's a map. It knows it exists. I have to like, oh, I might not have set the outside container. So let's just do just 200 by 200. Bro, come on. Okay, well, no, now it's got a box, but getting tiles? No. No, we ain't. No, we are not. Strange. Oh. Hold on. Is this the key? Is that the key? It's not the key. Still, that's a weird... I'm not used to having it have .png at the end. I mean, that'd be crazy if this was like down or something. You're a user, you're a developer. You don't need like an API key or anything. I mean, it's OpenStreetMaps. Downloading strongly discouraged. Yeah. Hard code any URL to. Oh. Well, surely that's not the problem. Tile servers are not. It's funny. App Center and it's not Mao. No. Set. Spell. Type. Dot. Set. Center. I just let the view. Try this again. Hopefully it doesn't download an infinite amount of tiles, maybe. 2020. Infinite number of tiles. Why? Is it because of the zoom? Is that literally... Oh, it's broken. Okay, hold on. Ah, fuck. How do I set projection? This is always such a fucking stupid problem. Um, leaflet sets projection code. So the normal base map layer I use for other things, like generally I don't like all the setup is usually fine sort of without it. Sort of. So that's kind of weird. But separate projection on leaflets. Open layers. Default projection. Can I set that in here? Set as an option. Defaults. No. Projection. Code. Let me out here, leaflet, come on. Just look at it. Hold on, map. Yeah, L.CRS. Okay, this looks more verbose than what I actually need. Yeah, you got freaking math.py in here. I don't need that. I just need to set the code. New L.map. Zoom out CRS. Okay. Is that good? And that should be it's a string. Is that the right one? Or no, is it not a string? Oh, hold on. L.CRS. You a function? Do you take something? Not callable. What? Let's do it. Oh, I see. I think I want this one. No? Okay, let's try the other EPSG. Nope. I don't know what code it needs. I made it worse. Is it even EPSG? Sure, simple. Why not? That just breaks it entirely. So projection is undefined. Sure, bro. I feel like that's just the default projection, but why is it not working? Unless... Oh, no, hold on. Yeah, I had that in the wrong place. So now, do I even need to change this? Are we good? We're good. We're good. Oh my god, we're good. We have a tiny map. I'm going to zoom in. Straight to Oklahoma City. Oh my goodness. Let's make this larger. Can I actually 100% this fucking thing? Probably not, because again, I don't have a set size of my component, so this may not work. I don't know. Let's just fill as the... Yeah, now we'll do it. Just fucking sure. Just make it big, big mode. Oh, that. Okay. Zoom in and out. So now, you away. You. Actually, I never set this. So I usually work in Angular 17. I think it's so weird that the router outlet just doesn't have an end tag now. It's just end and slash. But anyway. So, like I said before, messages are coming through. So like, if I type E here, I get E in the window. So that's good. So I'm in trouble with this the other day, and I messaged Monk about it. I was trying to get an API key, or not an API key, a OAuth token for the API, and it like, I was using the Twitch token generator site where it was supposed to buy like some Twitch and play. Immediately my tokens were expired. Like I would check, I would verify it. It was like expires in 0. I'm like, what? So I was hoping I'd have stuff like actually sent from me. But figure that out later. That's not important right now. What is important is figuring out how to do this. So how do we set something to fade in and out? Pixelbob, hello, welcome in. Thank you for Explosion. Yeah, very cool Twitch. I don't even know if it's Twitch. Like, it might be me, my account. I don't know. I don't know if there's like, because I was on the developer portal too, and I was like, do I need to make an application? Do I need to make a thing and verify it? And even that wasn't working. That was in like, I was trying to just make a test thing, if that was what I needed, and it was just like CAPTCHA infinium. Like I would solve the CAPTCHA and it'd be like, oh yeah, you can hit submit now. And then it would just recapture me. And it just did that forever. And I tried different browsers. I like disconnected from my VPN. It still just kept doing it. I'm like, okay, I guess I'm a robot. Thank you. It's labyrinthian. Yeah, I don't like the developer site. I was trying to just read stuff and like everything kept pointing to different pages. I'm like, I don't understand what's happening here. So that was kind of annoying. Okay, so process flow. So I want, let's set the listener. I'm just doing this app component style. Yeah, so I'm gonna lazy mode this. We're gonna just, if, yeah, message equal, boom. Or no, I don't want it to be equal because you'll have a name at the end. So just contains, includes, yes. Includes, and eventually I will probably make this more cohesive. Do I want a dash in there? No, that's lame. And we'll dot to lowercase. Nice, okay. Airstrike. I'll keep that there for now. So if it does this, I want a sub, or sorry, a subject. Airstrike sub. That a subject. New subject. Boop. And type is of string. So then I want to split it because it should be like strike, then a name. Ideally it'd be a username, but it could be any name. That might cause problems, but that's fine. I misspelled strike again. So who knows how to spell that word? Not me. Then I just want to push a next. So next, and we'll do message dot split space. Right, and at 1. here. I want to get that. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, did I set this up already? Yeah, I did. Hubris of preparing. So let me just take this. And we're going to put it in here. And even though I made the command sub, also public doesn't matter. So these are public by default. Okay. So I just want to bring this into the app component. I already have it. You do a thing and you're like, oh, I didn't do this. No, you did do it. Prepared too well. CMD service. Airstrike sub.next. Split the message. Send the thing. And now I want you. Not command sub. I want that. Instead of an equals event, if I just console.log. So I'm lazy. Event. Save that. And then if I just pump that into chat. Error. Yes. Did you not? Do not save this? Keep not saving something. There we go. Try that again. Okay, perfect. Perfect. So now we got that, and that's the event. Now a bunch of things are gonna have to happen here. So let's kind of thought process that. Okay, I don't really want JS doc, I just want multi-line. So on start, I need this whole thing. Oh, my mouse doesn't go to my... That's fine. So on start, I need the whole thing, because it's a browser source. I need it to be like a visibility at 0. 9. Or hidden on... Oh yeah, I forgot about that part. Anyway. Then on the message... Successful message... Set to visible. I can probably just do... Yeah, I can just use ng hide. I thought about doing like a fade in. Maybe later, but just quick and dirty ng hide will work. So set to visible. Then what is the event? It's this dot map dot pan, right? Pan 2, yeah. So actually, did I not install turf.js? Any of you guys use maps at all? I doubt. Probably most of you don't. This library is crazy. Turf.js. There's other libraries too, but it's got so many things for map analytics. You got bounding boxes. You got centers of mass. Points on a feature. Like so much stuff. You got transforms for like circles and yeah, it's very nice. But I need random points. Where's my install for it? Oh, this is going hard. Not even a mapping journey. Yeah, it's the world of maps is very broad. Like there's leaflet, there's turf, there's ArcGIS, there's this is so loud. This is so goddamn loud. It's cool. There's a lot of neat, like, oh, that's what I want to talk about. Because I was struggling through the tile layers. So I mean, a tile layer is kind of cool because really it's just a collection of images, and they have some metadata for like how they, I guess, get positioned based on where like you zoom into. What's really cool about it is there's images, so you can do anything. And I've actually seen people do, like, I don't know how you generate this, but they'll do a map of their Factorio world and like host it on a website or something. And it's totally interactive. You can zoom in and out and like look at things at like high detail. It's really neat. So a lot of different applications outside of like actual geospatial anything. So pretty cool. All right, so set it to visible. Get a random point via turf. Yes, random. Actually very handy. Yeah, it definitely is. Just be aware, like tile layers, because they're, again, it's media, could get very large. Like I know, like say you like all of this whole thing storage wise, it's like dozens, if not like it's a lot of gigabytes of data. But for like, again, something small like a Factorio world, or I'm trying to think of other examples like RimWorld. I imagine people have done it for like RimWorld maybe. Probably a lot smaller. Now for this, I want to refine it some, so I'm gonna have to find polygons. I don't want it to zoom into the ocean. And what I know I can do, something like that for polygons. Yeah, no, there was a server I used to play on that had, I don't know if it was something they made. There is a service, I think, where you can like build in, it's more than just like what this is, what Leaflet is. It's like an actual interactive map of your Minecraft world, with live like player locations too, for like just, you know, friendly public ones. Nothing, not like PvP ones or anything, because that would be cheating. So yeah, that's definitely something people do. Yeah, so I don't want it to zoom to the ocean. I know I can get a polygons of, it would just be like pretty simple ones of like the continents. So I need to find those. And what I can do is I can, there's a couple ways to do it. I could set, the lazy way is just to generate a point and then like go through the polygon layer, go through the polygons and see if it intersects. And if it does, use it. If it doesn't, regen. But I think there's probably a smarter way to do that. So need continent polygons. And then point is outside polygon, regen it. Okay, so once that is successful, then we just pan to, not zoom to. There's no, well, I guess there is. Is there a zoom to? No, pan to is the, yeah. That always trips me up because you got zoom controls, but it's not, you don't zoom to a point, you pan to a point. Anyway, so pan to the point. Use a full zoom value. And there's events that Leaflet propagates out for like start and end of things. So I think I gotta look at the docs. There's a like It's like, I don't think it's on. Well, no, they use on a lot. So maybe like on and to end. So I would want to show just a couple ways I thought of doing this just for the visual. Either show like, get like just we'll search for houses, right? Um, get like 10 images of just like innocuous houses, just various different ones. Show a picture of the house, and then like a second later, like have an explosion play, and also have different explosions because that's there's variability and kind of makes it more fun. So on pan end, show picture pocketure, picture of a home, notes of a random pool. Then play one sec. Play random explosion. It's a GIF though. That's a time variability. So like, I need a video. Maybe just make it short so it doesn't loop. Because I don't want it to loop. That'd be weird. Let's make a note there. I'm gonna turn my music back up. It was loud for me. It probably wasn't loud for you guys. It's not what I want. Nice little library for Windows called Ear Trumpet that kind of makes the sound mixer better, but then when you want to like actually adjust some things, like it's actually easier to go back to the legacy version. I'm trying to do right now. I don't even see this coming up on my OBS. Okay. So that is generally the steps here. So let's make a function pan to target user. And I didn't install it yet, so it's dmi at turf, not the pound. Turf.js. My keyword at a weird offset. Okay. / random. Not found. Is that the wrong one? Oh, it's just at turf, right? Bam. Okay. Yep, so do const position. Turf dot. I want to import it first. Just do star as turf for this. Okay, perfect. Random point from, yeah, sick. Random point count. Yeah, all right, because I can set a bounding box. Deal with that later, I suppose. I guess give me Well, yeah, we'll deal with that later. I only want one. This dot map dot pan. Is this a correct latling expression? Feature collection point and use last level type latling. So, oh, I always forget. What's the format of this? Position is a feature collection. I go to that. Can I go to feature collection? Type features array. Yes. Dot features dot nope. That's 0. What are ye properties? I always forget. There's many different types in the world of geospatial stuff, and there's some inconsistencies, and they're kind of annoying. Gotta put this on a net so I can just look at it. Object. 10. I'll put a 0 here. Whoops. Say I only need 1. I just want the geometry. Yeah, okay. Features 0. No, geometry. And the coordinates. But then this is going to complain. It's not the right kind of thing. So I need to do some stupid shit. Actually, I can just... I feel like it's probably not a good practice, but I like doing it anyways. When you just... You know the thing gives you an object, so you just tack this shit on the end. Anyway, that's fine. So now I can do position at 1. 0, because I think it's flipped the Latin long from this, if I remember correctly, or Leaflet flips it. There's a flipping happens at some point, and it's annoying, and I always forget. So now I just call this on a knit. No, let's do it the right way. So event this dot and 2. Someone airstrike me, please. Or I shall do it to myself. I went somewhere. Panning did occur. Do we just have a zoom? Pan options, yes. Thank you, Bazelia. Are my pan options? Unless I am thinking wrong and it actually is zoomed. Because I need to zoom in. Bands, vector control, zoom. No, it's just the zoom control. Pan 2. And options. Animate duration. Default. What, you don't have a default for this? Okay. Well, let's up the duration to like 2 seconds. I don't know. Linearity, no move start. If true, if you want fire, well, we have a move end probably, so we can use that. That's good to know. But they're not. Oh shit! No, I'm stupid. Fly to. One more time. Where is it going? And why is it not zooming in? Thank you. That's why it's not zooming in. I was right. I was right. I just was using pan to, not fly to. Clearly that's an easy mistake to make. Yeah. I think pan doesn't take the zoom level into account, I don't think, but fly to will. No, that didn't. Sorry, Bazila. You're getting airstrike multiple times. There we go. That's you. That's where you live. In the middle of the goddamn. Oh, I zoomed in too far. Okay, maybe not 20. Zoom to like 15. It's probably fine. Okay, cool. So that works. So, why live in ocean? I mean, you got free fish. Hey, palm lizard. Can't believe it. I've been doxxed. Yeah, we talked to the fish you live with. That's done. Can I strike through? I probably can't. Say it's cheaper out there. I imagine. It's free actually. There's no law. Well, there are some laws, but there's generally no laws in the open sea. I'm just gonna. No. So that's. Wait, no, that's not done. Need to do that. So. Map. Well, I think this whole thing. The whole thing. I'll just make good neighbors. I feel like they wouldn't be talkative. They're very slow. Not mentally, just like how they move and how they just kind of vibe, I feel. Bomb the ocean. So I wanna make an actual component, not divination. Movement map. What are my... Oh my god, are my tabs really 4? Oh, what the fuck is wrong with me? 2. There we go. Okay. I got a vent there. Ah, fuck. Make an overlay. No, I can put it at the top. I can put it above the map. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. This will be... Yeah, we p-tag. We p-tag it up. I wanna stylize this. Is airstrike one word? I'm like using hyphen. Yeah, it doesn't. I have spell. No, I don't have spell checker. Surely this won't show me something awful. Okay. Airstrike. Yeah, it's just one word. I guess it's not a... Yeah, that's fine. Wait a second. Did they get rid of NG hide? No, I think I'm just visible, right? No, it's hidden, right? I never use it very often, though. I just forget. So hidden would be... Let's do... I hate the anti-ness of it. So hidden true, hide it. So we want to do hide content, whatever. Find name. I'll make that true by default. When that goes off, it hits it. Do start content. Oops. What did I just do here? Let's flip it over. Then I don't know if it'll be in this function or not, because this will do the panning. Then on pan end, so on end do explode. So I wouldn't want to re-hide it yet. So what do I want to do here? What is my end? So stops currently running pan to your fly animation. There should just be what I saw before. It was like move. Loop end. Loop end. Fired when the marker stops moving because of... Oh, what's with the marker? I want the map though. The whole damn thing. Do an idle. When the map stops changing, it's easier to stop during the map or after non-centered zoom. Otherwise up to date. Yeah, it should be that then. So this dot map dot on. Son of a bitch. On. Type. What? It should just be... Yeah, there we go. Back my IntelliSense, please. On move end. What are you complaining about? Properties in common with... I remember. not on. Home event on, no. Yeah, it's the phone, yep. Ooh, okay. Drink some water. Alright. So, on move ends, we would want to... Men's Airstrike, yes. Good function name. Okay, so here... Men's... Bing. So if we do this again... How do I spell that? So it should zoom in all the way and then that'll go. Okay, good. That works. Once this is done, I'll do this dot hide content. Okay. Good headway here. So I didn't save this yet, so hide content. So this should be okay, good. And if we airstrike poor palm lizard one more time. Visible, zooming in. And go away. Okay, perfect. It's a little quick. Well, we're gonna adjust that. So now we just need the media. So that's just gonna knot these so they're done. Done. And that's partially done because we're zooming, so as you notice, because what I wanted to not happen, we're zooming into the ocean a lot. So I'm gonna need to get some polygons and just to nail it to just continents, like land masses. Into the full point zoom. Yep. And okay, so now we're here. Now we need to get houses. So give me a house. Let's say maybe let's get doxxed. Fine, have a VPN on. You'll never know where I am. These are so plain looking. I want like dilapidated houses. I don't want to show something inappropriate, because that could potentially. That's strict. That even matters. Good. Yeah, I'd live there. Okay, yeah. This one. Give me that. See here. Where am I saving this to? Source assets. Did I not make an image folder? Boom. Let's ID out of this picture. Just start with one, I guess. So now we got, yeah, perfect. Haunted house. Very silly. So, stepwise. Actually, hold on. Did that show in the text the name? I have it up. Airstrike and Palm Lizard. Okay, good. I thought I did it for a second. Hey, land. That's rare. So I want to unhide this. Oh, why aren't you going away? Resource is blocked by opaque what's everything breaking all of a sudden? What's going on here? That's fine. So the whole thing is hidden. Then I want to hide. I'll just layer it. Oop. I'll hide that. Hidden equals hide map. False. Now, yeah, that only needs to change here, and then at the end, change it back. Do I want to promise for this so it does it in the right order? Ugh, maybe. I'd map. Then what do we do? Like these. Anti-image. Source equal. Just love relativistic paths. No, not the favicon. Assets. Image. Haunted house. Boom. So this is in the right. No, this is in the wrong order, isn't it? So that'll show false. Right. That's false, then that means this will show up, won't it? No, it's good because yeah, opposite. So I'll zoom. Then once we get here, we need that to go first. Because after move end's done, do that. And then I'm just gonna do it. It's gonna happen. No, not set immediate. It's gonna do a set timeout. Because I'm lazy. Try it again. Going. 5 seconds. Gone. Beautiful. Just need to scale it and then put a GIF and oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Well, I've done it rudimentarily. So how do I set your... Whatever, I don't care. Give you an ID. Image. This doesn't matter anymore. And I'm making the map 500 by 500. That's probably fine. We got this daily, like, sort of morningly newsletter thing called TLDR. And there's an article I looked through on it about CSS classes. There's a lot of crazy ones out there people don't know about. Apparently you can set like an aspect ratio on an image tag, and I was like, what? That's crazy. I would have never thought that was like even a native CSS decorator. Bad. Okay. Where should I God this time? God lives south of Australia, it seems. Did not save this. Did not save this. Whoops. Scaling's not great, but it's whatever. That works. Now, this will be the hard part. How do I overlay an image onto my image? HTML. Probably, I mean, it's probably a z-index thing, but I don't actually know if there's like a better way about that or not. So I overlay GIF onto image. Overlay images. Image source, then 890 all class. We go these classes. Ooh, floating left, disgusting. No z-indexing, but yeah, I guess just setting an opacity on it. The one's display block, the other's fully visible. Maybe what I want, really. Not sure. Let's try that, I guess. So I need an explosion. Immediate, like, you search explosion, you get nuclear tests. That's kind of awesome. That's lame. You know what, we'll go big. We'll do Castle Bravo. GIF of that for me. I want the start of it. It's like this. Oh, it's so fast. I don't actually get to see the condensation. That one's good. It's got a fucking watermark. That one doesn't. And it's small. Not this one. It's so quick, but it does work. Alright. Give me this one. Copy email, save image. Alright. Good. Now here. Those and ends. Whatever. And ideally, like, I would have different images here, but I just want to get this, like, actually just working. For the funny. Bravo. Change that to home. Explode here. Nothing the same. Moving my cursor outside of that. Let's close that somehow. Okay. No, they're gonna be not on top of each other though. So actually, let me just like work with this outside. Right, that's a problem. How do I get you over top? Does not help me. Love W3 schools. That is indeed John. That's not what I want, though. Hell yeah. Got dance and banana. That's not... Fine, we'll try it. Wait, with class is pick. I don't have the pick class though. Unless I just need to... Position... Absolute. No. If any relative. Then I can just... I hate doing this. Yeah. In theory, if I do that. Yep. Wow. Easy as. Well, this will have more of a complex transition. I don't need no sane CSS. I just need position relative. Now, I need to animate because I need this to fade in. So how would I do that? Fade in image CSS. I never have to do, well, I don't even call this complex, but involved fancy stuff like this. Yeah, how do I do it? Animation fade in 5 seconds. Okay, perfect. So in theory, I feel like I can just... Is NG... Yes, okay. Put on the right one. Why don't you like this? Not an property of image. What did I not import? The common module thing? Yes, okay. And then, what is it? A string. Colon. Fade in. Okay. Animation. Fade in. It's not auto completing that, so is that something additional I need? Yes, I see that keyframes will power to fade in. Oh, okay, I see. See if this works. Fade in. The GIF is very quick, so this would be like 2 seconds. And then here. Yep, I know. Relax. Map gets hidden. Set timeout to hide content. I want 2 here, don't I? Ew, this is stupid. Let me think. Both of these... Okay. Just set... I just set the opacity to 0 on start. Fade in, and then... Okay. Fade in. After 2 seconds, then on what, the third, kill it. Let's just try that. Opacity 0%. Yep, give me that MDN reference, please. 0%, yes. give this a go. Sorry, friend, you are the target. That's so good. Oh, that's a little quick though. Okay, okay. Oh shit, I didn't think that would just work. So this should be 4 maybe? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh shit. I want to spam you. Try this again. Oh, zoom to the ocean. Yep. That's good. That works. So, did I make this browser source? Hello? No, where are you? Make a new one. Browser. Name you Airstrike. Not make it visible yet. I copy this. Gonna put profile pictures in the window. It's a good idea. I'm gonna make a note of that because I. Thank you for that idea. Maybe not right now because I need to. Can I get that without a token on the API? I feel like I would need to authenticate to get like user information like that, which is not currently working for me. And also to like, well, no, because it would just do a search on the username. Yeah. There's definitely room for improvement on this. I'm just happy that actually works kind of nice. Not show name. Show user avatar. In the window of the home. That'll be interesting too. Because if I when I do get more images of houses, like trying to like map where to place that, so that'll be kind of fun. I could probably just set some sort of just make a JS file or a JSON file for that like sort of configuration on each thing. That's definitely something I want to do. Now, I guess the big improvement is stop zooming to the goddamn ocean. But hold on, let me add this as a browser source. Okay. I think this will work. Invisible. So I do this again. Oh, it's a lot of white space. Okay, something went wrong here. Minimize that. Why did that happen? This is a weird state problem going on here. Oh, also you can't even see the top of it. Why is that? That's strange. Errors? No, no errors. Is this something weird with how I'm hosting this just in an Angular app and pulling it into a browser source. Fresh cache, okay. No, it's not a local file. Refresh when it comes active, maybe. Try that again. Why is the GIF not playing? Did I not save something? Yeah, then just it's weird. Because it should just everything. Wait, am I not? Everything starts. Icon is true. The map is false. Fade in is false. On the event, we flip it. And then it's fine. Get rid of this console log. Position I2 on move end. Meant map gets hidden. That happens. That happens. Should be okay. As far as I remember, set timeouts don't block each other. That was working. Do it again. I've got the browser up, so they should both go. Okay. Yeah, why does that play in Firefox but not in my browser source? How does that make sense? Unless there's something weird about fading in. Fuck. Or am I misunderstanding how this works? Now local file, shutdown source not visible. No? I need to increase the permissions? Read access to user information, maybe? Let's try that. Sure. Why not? Yeah, that just breaks. Right, I don't think I need to like destroy my component and then an actual fear of NPM. It's not so bad. I mean, it only installs like half a gig of shit. You know, when you make a new project and anything, it's not that bad, you know. Yeah, that's weird. Why is that doing that? Everything should be flipping back to its original state. And let's just sanity check maybe. So these will run. This is security angle. Yeah, I can see that. I've never encountered any what's going on to run when you install a package you install it. Yeah, well, sort of, unless you like dig through the source code, which is an option, but like who has time for that? When you do it, starts screwing vulnerabilities. Yeah, vulnerabilities are like, so if I actually just do this, I do npm audits fix. So we'll see what the vulnerabilities are. And normally it's like, what is it? Can be bypassed when hosted on case and sensitive file system. Repeat. Yeah, a lot of the ones, it doesn't have many vulnerabilities, but like they'll be like, you know, unsafe script injection or some XHR thing or a bunch of crap. And they're valid, but generally I feel like you're probably okay ignoring some of them. Or all of them. But I was gonna say, the only issue I've ever, like, security thing, I don't even know it was a security thing, it was more just malicious, thing I've encountered with NPM was there's a package called Faker, Faker.js, as the name implies. It was super good for making, you know, a bunch of fake, like, mock data in your application. And the author of that module, or the package, like, got really mad, I guess, about the fact that he made, you know, a free open source, you know, package library that corporations were using and not paying him for. So he like made a commit, then pushed a new version that basically like just removed everything, which obviously doesn't fucking do anything unless you install that version, because there's other versions that are published and you can't unpublish things from npm, at least not easily. So that got forked and like has a new maintained version, thankfully. But yeah, that was the only kerfuffle I have ever actually had affect me. I think I actually definitely have. Yeah, user interface can be scary. Yeah. I mean, generally, I feel like for most things, people will make a thing and then just like forget about it and not maintain it, and then they come back like 3 years later and like it has a million downloads every week on npm. They're like, what the fuck? Yeah, it's like that. With that, some guy named Jerry who's maintained a time library for 80 years and half the internet uses it. Ah, but man, why this not consistent? Also, did my music stop? Did I exhaust all the songs on this page I was on? I think I did. No, I just paused. Weird. So all of these should be flipping back to their original state after commence airstrike. You know what? We're just gonna do a reset function. So I have 3 variables. Bing. And because you're the last thing to call. Yeah, sure. This dot resets. And maybe that'll do it. Maybe I'm like completely missing something here. course, it won't play it in my browser source. That is annoying. But if I do it again, that refreshing. Okay, good. So something's resetting wrong there, but that's okay. And then, okay, it's still wrong. Fuck. Do it again. If I do it again, if I do it a third time, will anything change? I'm sorry, Pixel Bob. Your house, your livelihood, it's all gone. You've been pummeled into the earth. What the fuck? What is the issue? I'm not understanding with this. We're just flipping Boolean values here. It should be fine. Water dwelling lobster gang. Yeah. Yeah, it's I need to find polygons. Look, the NPM GitHub, vuln warnings, desensitize people about possible issues of so you just ignore them. Yeah. Yeah. That's fair. I think it's mainly because it's such a game of whack-a-mole, you know, like new CVs come out every day, you know, and if you're not constantly on the ball about updating your dependencies, and then or people don't update their dependencies that you rely on, and then it's like, oh well, now I need to go fork their shit and update it myself, and it's a whole song and dance, or do overrides in your package.json that could work too. Also, I'm hesitant to use stuff like Rust and Nix. What's wrong with Rust in that regard? Is it the crates? Or the crates like NPM? Any false positive, like getting a vuln warning about some deep dependency? Yeah, God. The amount of warnings in Angular you get, and it's like 80 fucking modules deep in something. Lazy culture is scary, yeah. We got too lazy. We saw other people did X thing we need and decided, oh, we'll use your thing. And then one person's like, I don't really like how it does this function. I'm going to make my own version. And then 100,000 people flock to that version. And it's just, yeah, it just compounds. Other than X packages are mostly automated builds from GitHub with bullet networks. Really? That's interesting. Let's understand the code I'm running all the way down. That would be nice. I feel like awareness is the goal, though, of like what it's probably doing. Because like I wouldn't like go in here and just like haphazardly import something, but like I don't know what this does. But some Stack Overflow said to use it. Like generally, that's not helpful. So what's not helpful is why this don't work. Been version of stuff and yeah. Oh, Clonk, would you know why, or have any inkling as to why the GIF is not playing in the browser source? That's the current conundrum, and I've adjusted the browser source settings, and I just don't know why that part would not render or not show. Yeah, I'm literally just localhost in my browser source for the page that the Airstrike is on. Yeah, so I'll play it right now. Let me refresh it because it's still kind of being temperamental. So if I do this, see both play. So in browser it's fine, but then in the browser source, well, that time it got stuck. But normally it will show the house, but not play the GIF. It actually has not played the GIF at all. It's very strange. Doesn't show this. Yeah, it doesn't show the explosion. ZNX, nah, it shouldn't be a ZNX, is because I did a lazy thing. I just made it relative, and I moved it to the left, the same amount of pixel width as the other image. It's like for some reason OBS doesn't like keyframes. I don't know. I guess I could look that up. Oh, that's going to give me different options because keyframes are something actually different. I don't remember OBS uses. Seems likely that's something related to that difference. Yeah, I feel like it probably is. It's like, actually, let me just have this be 100% opaque and try to do it. So I'm sitting here thinking, oh, it doesn't handle GIFs at all, but it's probably not that. Close you. I like connect to the OBS browser source from Chrome DevTools. Ooh, that's kind of cool. Launch OBS is remote debugging or equals an open look list. Ooh. I don't use Chrome, but that is cool. You do it in Firefox? We just noticed there aren't any houses in the ocean. Yeah, it's on to me. It's like, I see what you're doing. You're just, there's a Tomahawk cruise missile going to the ocean, and no one's there. Yeah, that is so weird. So, like, I mean, honestly, if I just do this, right? Okay, it doesn't like that. Why? Because I don't have an ending tag. Ah, okay, well, now it just shows it. So, okay, the GIF is not the problem. Too smart, you can't put fire in the water. That doesn't make any sense. You have not seen self-oxidizing propellants, my friend. Or hypergolic fuels, even. You ever got those like storm matches? They're like super thick, like orange. Let me show you a picture of them. These things are cool. Yeah. These things, they like, you light them. Get out of here. Explosion. You light them and you can just straight up put them underwater and they're still burning. Like you can be like 50-mile-an-hour winds. They won't go out. They're really cool. Anyway. Alright. So, the GIF is not the issue. Did I search keyframes? Problems with this, it's gonna think I'm thinking of keyframes, like actual keyframes. Rather than CSS keyframes. Available file URL. Okay. Yes, custom CSS. Background's transparent, that's fine. It's a scroll bar, it's fine. Loads the page when the source is no longer visible by clicking. Yeah, okay, I'm not doing that though. Scene is switched to. Okay, so that actually doesn't even matter. I turned that on, thinking it might do something. Depending on the setting, the allows browser to read it or modify. I'm not doing any of that. You refresh the page and reload content notes. Browser serves based on Chrome embedded framework. When you see if flags can be passed. Okay. Wow, cool. What is this? Is this? Ah, okay. I'll turn that back on. Okay, wow, there's a lot of stuff here. Holy crap. Probably not what I'm looking for though. So okay, that's an indicator though. So Chrome embedded framework. What's that site for CSS classes? Can I use? Yes. So when you say orange site, I have no idea what you're talking about, but this probably comes to mind. To my music, where's my music? Why do you keep stopping? At the bottom? Oh, I am. That's why it's doesn't it just keep playing. All right. Orangey. Can I use keyframe as part of the CSS spec, or is that a SAS thing? I don't actually know. Keyframes. Add keyframes. Chrome. Okay. Android browser. Born names. Names timeline. I don't think. I don't. Well, to the keyframes are animation. Maybe animation's the better thing to like actually see if that's the issue. Consequence of animating certain properties element. Okay, Chrome is good. Web Animations API. The browsers will inspect. This is 2019. Let's just look up Chrome embedded framework, maybe. Use the transition property instead of animation for this. Probably. I forget how the transition property works. I don't know. Can I? Because I still need. Well. I mean, I just try it. Where's my Airstrike? Because I know nothing about Chrome embedded framework. Oh wow, we went to the North Pole. Yeah, I feel like I'm probably not doing this right. Oh, I also didn't save it. That also helps when you save things. Now, so let's see. CSS transition. Got that Chrome support. Okay, so rather than using that, opacity. Does this work? You have to set the style or add a class to trigger this listen. I am. So I've got an NG class on here. So when fade in becomes true, this class gets added, and then this should go. Opacity 0, display 9, insertion opacity. I don't know if I can do it time. I just need to set the value to 100% is in, right? That probably sounds maybe accurate. Damn. Well, hold on, let's see. Where is it in here? Should see if it actually works in my browser. It works, it's just immediate. Okay, so... that is so bizarre. Embedded framework. They have a GitHub? Open source moment? What even is this? For embedding Chromium-based browsers and other applications. Okay. Flipping out. So I just want to know what CSS compatibility you got. Tell me what you got. Okay, this is not helpful. Just add keyframes, maybe. Modified CDN. Okay, maybe don't click that. Wait a sec. Hold. Hold. You know a thing? People really blocking authentication from probably. Oh, that good stuff. Dot fade in, opacity 100%. Yes. Transition goes on another selector, whatever the GIF always has. Okay. So it's got an ID for explode. So what you're saying is transition on this. Okay. Oh wait, did I not? No, it didn't error at me, so I'm not sure if that was actually the right syntax. It goes on that sector. Yeah, okay. I don't have that right. Airstrike Chrome embedded framework. Use 100% transition instead of a duration. I think I need that, but I can just try. Yeah, I need the opacity property here, I think. Unless I misunderstood. Works in here. Yeah, because you have that and that. Which in effect will start when the specified CS property with changes value. Oh, interesting. With property of the duration 2 seconds. Interesting. Oh, why is it gonna be like this? Oh, that's a real place. The 100% bit doesn't seem valid. Okay, yeah. Just like transition to 100%. Is that what you're saying? No, like transition no past. Oh. Sorry. So whenever the opacity property changes, it'll take 2 seconds always. Okay. I didn't know if that would like, because I thought you had to set the opacity you want it to move to. Oh, okay. Well, that transitioned out. Range. Also, I should have added these in here so I knew what I changed here. It's okay. I do think though it's got to be something with this Chrome embedded framework, right? Because it was working in Firefox, or it was working before in Firefox. Like it's probably. I mean, well, okay. Let me step back. It probably is an issue with either yes keyframes or something else. Split of 0%. Correct on that. Upfade has 100. Yeah, let's flip that around. And I don't know if I'm not using that as, because that's just like a function. Unless, hold on, am I stupid? Do I need this? I Owen's, hold on. Hold John. Hold John. Okay, no. Fade in. Hey, Vulcan. Such an old version of Chrome. I can't even think that that would matter. Will Wikipedia tell me more? Nope. Wait, hold on. Let's CSS media. This might not help. Let me try this. I mean, it's not as elegant as I want it to be, but theory, I mean, if I just set opacity to 0, then just boom, like snap it in. I mean, that should work. Because so far, unless I've just pulled this out of this div, like we have not, like it has not shown up at all in the thing. So this should just pop. It's not popping. We ain't popping unless. 1000%, yeah. Wicked. Am I insane? He has a crater now. That's what he has. And we'll keep giving him a crater. What the hell? Now it just doesn't even. But why? What is the big deal with this? Wait, am I using the wrong? Oh no, I'm not using the wrong thing, am I? IMAP is false. It's false. Flips true. So that should, yeah. Fuck. This is a quandary and probably a simple thing. I'm just not seeing the what. I might debug this later. But otherwise, I'm quite happy that we got it to work. At least in Firefox. Like, something weird with the browser source here. That I'll have to look into. I mean, let me look at it because it has the browser source has a class in it, but it's literally just it shouldn't be doing anything weird. I mean, what if I hold on? Let me copy it first. I'll just throw it in here. What if I just get rid of it? Okay, that still plays. How much you out? Make another crater. Well, now you see my scroll bar. Terrible. Did I not save? Yeah, whatever. Yeah, that's just bizarre. And honestly, I didn't look too far into it. Ooh, ouch. Yeah, Pixel Bomb, sorry. Your house your house has been hit by like 30 Castle Bravo nuclear weapons, my man. Yeah, you're gone. Also, why do you have so many homes in the ocean? What's up with that? Yeah, and it just doesn't show up either. That's the weird thing. Because like I've set this to not be. Yeah, it's not. You got boat houses, yeah. Literally, what if I'm just gonna chip away. We'll see if anything happens. You had the class to home. Which home? Oh, yeah, to that. Hold on. Yeah, I don't know, maybe it could be like a weird media type thing. I'm not sure. So, did we have this right before? Beta should make. I'm not dumb, am I? Opaque is means you can see it. Yes, okay. God, I'm sitting here thinking I'm explosions underneath. Well, now nothing works. No, they are though. So, well, hold on. Let's see if that. Where's the moon? The moon's been punished enough. Let's strike a different moon. Let's strike Titan. Oh, that was cool. It's fucking zoomed out from the other location. But no, so they are overlapped. Like you saw it happen before. So because I set it to relative, and I just scooted it over to the right. Well, that was a different effect before. Really? Okay. Well, color me wrong. Um. Huh. Because before it was showing up over. Hmm. want to see that again because I missed it. I need to refresh this. Having a problem. Well, the issue is like it's a CSS thing and potentially, however, this. Oh. Did not see it. And whatever this Chrome embed framework does. Also, so let me do this. So let me do that. These changes. I want to go back to where it was working, but not. I want to do a little reset. Okay. No, that was good. And then, so like at this point, save view, pop a change. So this should work in the browser, not the browser source, just in Firefox. Let's get a baseline. All right. Cool. Now it's just doing a different thing. Where is left changing? Left is, so let's work with this. Get out of here. So left is, should dot fade and have left 0. Sliver of the GIF. I'm not seeing it. Unless I'm... Wait, oh, I see it. Okay, I see it in the browser source now. You're right. Okay. Yeah, so the browser source is doing something weird then. Because the left, because all this is doing, all this shit is doing is it's relative and I can move it pixel-wise, and I've just moved it 500 to the left to cover the house when it becomes, you know, opaque. For absolute. Sure. And what if we z-index it by, say, 5? Okay, no, that didn't. Do I need to... do that? Where did it go? Where'd it go? Where are you? Fuck. Excuse me? Where the house? Underneath it? Okay, it's probably because of this. Hold on. Well, that's certainly exciting. Okay. So you might be onto something. So I got rid of that. So now it's just over here. I bring you back in. Who's on first? Okay. Sure. Now... Hold on. So where is... Do we still have them both positioned absolute? Is that where I'm looking up here? Both absolute. I'm assuming they're over top of each other. So if I do this, will that put the house on top? Yes. Okay. So want the house on top. So I cut you. So Airstrike. What's something funny? Well, I probably shouldn't do that. It's funny, but it's not. Airstrike myself. I haven't been airstruck yet. Azalea, you are a genius. Okay, so we just need to flip. What do we need to flip here? So we just make that 0 first, right? Yeah. That's just so weird to me that relative. Yes. And if I do it again, if we do it again, will it fuck up or will it work? I definitely need to freeze. Actually, no. I think it's funnier if it zooms out of the last location. There's continuity. It's continuity. Oh, come on. Okay. That's the other issue. The reset's not. The reset's being weird. I'm not quite sure why. But we're very close now. So thank you for that. I would not have thought to just change the positioning. Yeah, I don't know. Again, fucking browser source was like, nah, I won't do it. But yeah. Nice. Yeah. So now the reset's the problem. Because you do it once. Well, hold on. Let me close. I don't know if having like the browser source up and in my actual browser changes anything. So if I do, actually, hold on. Let me clear it. Airstrike, refresh cache. Don't need to do that. I don't even really need to access anything in OBS with this. Okay. The next thing is getting into not zoom the ocean, but that might be for a later time. But also more pictures. And also, I love the idea of trying to get the user avatar and like putting it somewhere in the picture. Okay, so round 2 is where it breaks. So we should just not see the house or the explosion. We don't. Okay, so why is that? No, I need those packages. Let's see the third time. I didn't change it. Oh. Okay, so something's getting flipped wrong. I think. So it's yeah, it's because this is the base state. Like hide content's true, hide map is false, fade is false. And after the 4 seconds, and are set timeouts blocking? They shouldn't be, I don't think. Because like this set timeout runs and 2 seconds are counting, and then this one runs. So then after 2 seconds, this has 2 seconds left also. Unless I'm completely wrong there. I didn't think they blocked each other though. Time 0 seconds, prints before wait. Where are you printing that? They have not just made it set to false. Yeah, that's fair. I'm just used to... Faden needs to be true there. Well, no, because I guess we can just, yeah, just use the actual Boolean values. What country was that? Okay. Always works on the first one. We're playing GeoGuessr. You're so right. You want my job? I need to change that too. Because I intended it to be like usernames, but just for like anything, I need to make it so the string.split actually captures the entire message. Actually, did that go to international models? I missed it. Oh man, thank you so much for the help. I would have just like given up and done it off stream probably if that did not go. Event. Where are we getting that originally? So I want the full message, and I'm splitting it in here. No, because I want, but if it's multiple. Do I get everything just after index 0? Well, I could just, hold on. String manipulation, let me think. Yeah, I could just substring this. I don't need to split it. So we can just do substring start number. How many characters is Airstrike? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if we start at 10, and then what? Message dot length. Yeah. Will that work? Let me expand this. Run on send. Yeah, okay, sick. That worked. Oh, I love it when I remember how to do basic stream manipulation. That would be dot split dot shift dot join. Yeah, I can do that too. I like this though. It's quick, it's easy, it's inefficient, probably. The next thing is I need to make this text bigger, but I'll do the fluff another time for getting it to work right, or look right, I should say. I don't even know where to put this fucking thing. I don't need to use regex on just a simple message. Although eventually, once I have more commands in, I'll need to think of more. Yeah, I'll probably have to do some, because like this is, to go past like 5 commands, this is gonna suck. Because I'm just gonna have like, yeah, like a bunch of if cases here. It should actually be calling functions. I remember I did that properly with a Discord bot before, which I still have the code for, and then I looked at it last week and I was like, I don't know. I don't remember how I did this. But yeah, that's definitely in the realm of possible. It's a fun idea. Thank you. This was sprouted from the man himself, the man of numbers, colon Q, when you added everyone, when you gave everyone like a real name. I was like, what if you give them a real like a real address? And I was like, oh, then I got an idea for this. I'll eventually make this time people out. That would be cool. But I need the token to work. The full documents, as it were. Yes, you still need to give people. You need to give people their credit score, unless you did that already. But yeah, that would be cool to time people out. That's too much power though. If it's just like a general command, it would have to be tied to something. Also, I didn't do a time limit for this, but that's my notes. I'll get to that. But yeah, no, that was a funny idea. Just time people out with this for like 5 seconds. It's just like a funny gaff, probably. That's not harmful. No doubt again, the Twitch off stuff. Let me know. But yeah, I definitely will. It's really like I think I should be able to get it. It's just that I don't know why that token just immediately expired on me. It's very bizarre. Unless that site, which I mean, it should be maintained still, where the generator just doesn't generate correctly anymore. I'm not really sure. Oh, but this was fun. I'm embarrassed how much I struggled with setting up Leaflet initially. This is work-wise, I know how to do it. There's a pattern, but I didn't have a reference in front of me. But that's okay. Yeah, I have a busy-ish weekend, but I might try to plan for next Thursday. Do another thing. Thank you so much. I do have a question for you, Bazelia, because so you made the bells of Bazelia, and I actually had an idea related to that. I have a synth, like a hardware synth. It's a Korg Volca It's very small, very simple, and I know that you can probably pass off MIDI like over, an HTTP post, whatever. As well as, and this is a really cool thing, there's a website where you can actually flash, well, I say flash, it's not quite flashing, I don't think. You can actually flash like the knob settings digitally over MIDI to the synth. There's a website where people like share their patches. Very long-winded, but basically, I think that I want to be able to like have chat like control on my desk my synth. That's something I need to look into. So if you have any pointers for that, feel free, or not say feel free, but if you take the time out of your day, to give me some pointers, that would super grateful for that. So I think that would be a cool little thing. That's one idea. I think I outlined it on my. Yeah, I mean the build description of that couple. Yeah, I need to look at it. I have not looked at it. Is that using MIDI, like actual MIDI, or is it like something else? I know MIDI. That's a broad term there, but that's what would have to go over into at least the hardware on my side. It's booking FFmpeg big F play. Yeah, I don't know if that is exactly what I need, but I'm sure there's a way to get MIDI over, over an HTTP request of some kind, or just an API call. Yeah. Map the notes each 84 to 440 hertz. Okay, interesting. Yeah, definitely I'll look into that. Hardware converter from MIDI to the bills. Oh, okay. Imagine going the other ways. Yeah, okay. Yeah, definitely. I just gotta look into it. That's probably a further along topic. Something I'll have to figure out what I'm doing next week. But I have ideas for that. Use music session note to MIDI, which I. Ooh, okay. I need a piece of paper. Music note to MIDI. Okay. Yeah, so I gotta figure something out for next Thursday. Maybe I'll start my journey on. I had a funny idea for a Terraria mod. Also, the performance issue. There's a performance issue. Using the sample rate might help. Okay. Reducing it. That's interesting. I found when I was trying to like get my Korg to talk to VCV rack, I had to actually increase my sample rate for the inputs. Yeah. I figured increasing it's probably. I don't know. I don't know. I know nothing about the ins and outs of actual music parameters. But yeah. So next week, try to plan a Thursday stream. It might, again, like I said, it might be on off every other week. But I could start my foray into modding Terraria because I had a funny idea for making the game inconvenient to the player, but in a funny way. So that would be cool. Gotta set that up. Learn C# a little. It shouldn't be that bad. I've touched it before. And then as normal 29 or the Monday. Yeah, Terraria is so good. It's like top 5, maybe top 3 game for me. Monday gaming, and then Wednesday the wonderful game. Oh, absolutely. Then Wednesday as normal. Didn't do it yesterday because God, I had such creative block. I had anxiety yesterday about pressing the go live button, and that was so weird because I don't get anxiety about much of anything. Yeah, do a little creative stream next Wednesday. Probably do music because I want to make a song to play during the wait screen. So that should be fun. But yeah, glad this worked. Glad, very appreciative to everyone who was here, especially you, Bazilia, for helping me with CSS. Good to get that to work, and I'll probably refine this off stream. Touched up some, and that'll be good. Definitely looking forward to do more of this. So thank you all for watching. Thank you all for chatting. Thank you all for helping. Thank you for being here, and hope you had a day. You know, it's my new catchphrase. It's kind of cringe. All right. Goodbye.